You remember the story I told you of the boy I put in the oil drum and rolled onto the highway?
Is that him, Dad?
Yeah, Dad, is that him?
Oh, you betcha. Good old Lester Pencil Dick. Hey, say, Lester, what was the name of that girl you went with in high school? You know, curvy one.
It's Pearl.
Yeah, Pearl. What a rack on that girl, huh?
Dad thinks she had big titties.
Yeah, I know what rack means. Yeah, Fury! Ow! Yeah, Dad, ow.
You know, she gave me a tug once. Homecoming, senior year. Had the nice fat hands. Real soft.
We're married now, going on 18 years.
Oh, Dad, that's embarrassing.
Yeah, Dad, super embarrassing.
18 years, huh?
Yeah.
That's something. Never knew what she saw in you, really.
Oh, well,
No, I mean, help me out. Is it your stupid pencil dick or your little rat face?
Yeah, well, I should get back to it. Oh, come on.
Did I ever tell you how I used to beat this little guy up in high school? He'd write my name on my fist in Sharpie before I'd punch him, so everyone else would know who did it.
That's a good one, Dad.
Yeah, Dad, real good one.
Remember?
Yeah, it's a long time ago.